Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today I will show you how you can add account to the Google Play Store. So at the first, let's open the Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, move to add another account, and then simply choose the account that you want to add. In my case it will be the Google one. Next we are waiting and we have to verify. So I will use the fingerprint sensor, and right now we can simply input our currently Gmail account. I'm going for this one, click next, and right now we have to input our password. So when you do this, we have to hit the next button on the right corner, click that we are agree with the terms of the service and other stuff. Then you can save or just don't save this password, and when you go back and tap right here, you can simply switch between these accounts by tapping on one of them, and basically that's how you can add the different account to the Play Store on your Redmi K30 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!